Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about CorsMe tool. CorsMe tool is mostly used to detect misconfiguration. First, I will explain you guys how to install the tool. As shown above, we have to copy the tool link from the GitHub website. After copying the link, we have to paste the git clone command with link in the terminal to clone the tool in our system, and wait for the tool to be installed. And this command, it shows the complete usage of the commands present in the tool. Here we are using the demo website URL for testing the tool. Here we are pasting the URL in the above command to run the tool and get the final results. As we have mentioned before, the command got executed, and the result is shown above. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share, and do subscribe to our channel, Briskinfosec.